Hi everyone! Today we are going to do stir-fry beef and vegetable with angel hair. We need garlic, baby corn, mushroom, Chinese cabbage or Napa, or you can put any vegetable you have in your fridge. I prepare my noodle. I use angel hair. I'm gonna set up 5 minutes to make it tender, like how we like it. Next, set up the pan on the high heat. Put oil on the pan and wait until it's hot. Use any meat you like. Today I used ground beef. And now when the pan and oil is getting hot, I start going to put my ground beef into the pan. When I put ground beef, I try to spread my beef in the pan by using the cooking tool and kind of chop it into the pan, make it grounded, not stick together. And now I'm gonna stir fry until it's well done. When the beef got cooked, I put chopped garlic into the ground beef and then stir fry to make the beef and your meal smell good. Garlic is really good for your body because it's natural antibiotic that you can find in your kitchen. Now is the time to put your vegetable into the hot pan and then stir fry it. How I make it look like I stir fry my vegetable, but today I'm not gonna eat with rice. I left the leaf of the Chinese cabbage out. I'm gonna put it last because it's very easy to get soft. I just put the vegetable that is hard to cook, like the stem of the vegetable. Mushroom and baby corn is okay because it's not gonna be too soft when you cook it. I'm gonna keep stir fry until it's kind of little bit more tender. And the last thing I put for the vegetable is gonna be the leaf part. Now I go ahead and put Napa leaf because it's really easy to get soft before I put angel hair in. Now it's time to put your noodle. And today I'm going to make it really easy. I just gonna put one sauce in, only Giggle Man or soy sauce. It's really easy to find. You can buy from any supermarket. We just mix it up. It is really easy to make at home because you just use any vegetable that you have at home. Cook with stir-fry noodle. And I just use only soy sauce. If you tried this at home, please let me know and comment below how you like it. The noodle is look good right now, and then it's ready to be served and eat on your dining table. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.